Hello children, today we will do some problems on greatest integer function. So let us begin with the first question. Over there the equation is given bracketed x square minus 5 bracketed x plus 6 is equal to 0. So first of all we will assume bracketed x is equal to, let us say, t. So my equation will take the form of simple quadratic equation. T square minus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. Now if you factorize, it will be t minus 2 and t minus 3 will be equal to 0. So that means t is equal to 2 or t is equal to 3. Now for case t equal to 2, my bracketed x, that means, is equal to 2, and for t equal to 3 my bracketed x is equal to actually 3. So this greatest integer function is equal to 2 means what all values of x this bracketed x of greatest integer function will be 2. This we have to find out. So let us draw a small number line. This is 2, this is 1, and this is 3. So if we are here, if x is 2, then bracketed of x of greatest integer function x will be 2, and if we move over here the bracketed function will be 1. So this is not our region. Now we will move to the right hand side. So if we will move over here, all the values over here, all the values of x will give me bracketed x of 2. So that means this is my region of interest, right? Now as we move to 3, as we reach 3, bracketed of 3 is 3, it is not 2. So we will take these points from 2, we will begin and we will close over here like this. So for this, for bracketed x equal to 2, my x will belong to 2 to 3, right? 3 is a open interval because bracketed of 3 is not 3, it is not 2. Similarly, for bracketed x equal to 3, we will see 3, this is 2, and this is 4. So for, if we move over here, all the bracketed function will give me 2, the values of 2. So we will move over here. So for bracketed x, bracketed 3 is 3. So this is my closed interval begins, and for all these values of x, bracketed x will be 3. As we reach 4, as soon as we reach 4, the bracketed 4 will be 4 and not 3. So we will not include this point in our answer. So over here x belongs to 3 to 4, right? Now because this is odd, that means we have to take the union of these two regions, right? So union of these two regions. So x belongs to 2 to 3 and then x belongs to 3 to 4. We can directly write x belongs to 2 to 4. 2 is closed whereas 4 is open interval. This is the answer. Let us check. Yes, D is the correct option. D is the correct option, 2 to 4. Now we will move on to the next question, which is in this the function fx is given, fx from over some range of some values of x from 3 to 3, from minus 3 to 3 it is given. So fx is bracketed x from minus 3 to minus 1, it is modulus of x from minus 1 to 1, and modulus of bracketed of minus x from 1 to 3. Now what we have to find over here, we have to find all those values of x for which my fx is positive and greater than 0, greater than equal to 0 basically. So for this particular question we have to just draw the graph of fx and then we will check for all values of x. We have to find out those values of x for my fx is positive, means it lies only above the x-axis, right? So let us draw the graph. So we will draw the graph with the blue color. So for fx minus, for x minus 3 to 1, so minus 3 is over here, so it will be bracketed x. So let us draw the graph. It is simple. Minus 3 पर हमारा bracketed x क्या होगा, minus 3. But see, the value of minus 3 is not included because it is only less than, x is less than minus 3. So we will have a open, or we will have a hollow circle over here like this. Okay, we will not include. Now minus 3 to minus 2, the value will be 3, bracketed bracketed of over here all these points will give me the bracketed of ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन की वैल्यू क्या आएगी इस वाली रेंज में पूरी में -3 आएगी तो -3 बट एज सुन एज इट रीचेज -2 इट विल बी अ hollow circle because it will be -2 -2 से लेकर -1 तक ये -2 रहेगा और उसके बाद -1 जैसे ही जाएगा ये हमारा -1 हो जाएगा ब्रैकेटेड ऑफ -1 विल बी -1 ये अब बिकॉज आई हैव ये वाला हॉलो सर्कल होगा राइट ये सॉलिड है एंड दिस इज हॉलो ये ठीक है नाउ अब हमारा जैसे ही हम -1 से इधर जाएंगे एज सुन एज वी मूव अहेड ऑफ -1 माई फंक्शन चेंजेस सो एज सुन एज वी मूव x between -1 to 1 my function changes to modulus of x so modulus of x कैसे बनेगा this is my origin now modulus of x is always positive the graph which you can easily draw -1 and 1 both are not included so this will be like this and these are two straight lines this is x for x value x greater than 0 it is x and for x less than 0 modulus x is -x ठीक है so these are two straight lines I will draw this does not looks like a straight line although it is a straight line let's draw it once again it is like this sorry like this ठीक है so two straight lines for the modulus function now as soon as we go ahead of 1 again my function changes for x greater than equal to 1 it is modulus of minus of bracketed x so for this particular function let us take some example so see for let us say we are going from x greater than equal to 1 and less than 3 my value function is modulus of minus of x bracketed of minus x let us take x equal to 1 fx will be modulus of bracketed of -1 which is actually equal to modulus of -1 which is equal to 1 modulus सारा modulus की वजह से everything will be positive now for x equal to 2c fx will be modulus of minus of bracketed like this and it will be modulus of -2 it will be 2 similarly for x equal to 3 fx will be modulus of bracketed of -3 and it is actually 3 so actually we are getting all the पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज -1 रखेंगे तो 1 रखेंगे तो 1 आ रहा है x1 पे 1 आ रहा है x2 पे 2 आ रहा है x3 पे 3 आ रहा है लाइक दिस ठीक है तो हमने ये क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स पे निकाला है अभी तक राइट क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स हैं 1 2 3 अभी कैसे करेंगे 1 पे फॉर x इक्वल टू 1 fx was 1 so this will become now a solid circle ये इंक्लूड कर लिया हमने now between 1 to 2 bracketed x will be actually 1 only from 2 as soon as x becomes 2 it becomes 2 right so like this now 2 to 3 से ये ऐसे आ जाएगा और 3 पे it will be 3 which we are not taking because हमें पॉइंट खाली x less than 3 तक ही चाहिए ठीक है so like this so this is the function now you just see what is my what graph we have to what region we have to find out all the fx all the x for which fx is greater than equal to 0 so from if we move here over here fx is negative over here fx is negative all the negative values are here right as soon as we move over here my fx becomes positive ये हमारी सारी की सारी positive values हैं from -1 to 1 2 3 ये सब हमें positive values दे रहा है so that means my answer is x belongs to -1 is again not included because -1 is not included -1 पे it is 1 over here right -1 पे -1 है यहाँ पे right और इधर पे -1 इन्होंने include नहीं किया so -1 is not included whereas 3 is also not included so -1 to 3 is the answer. So A is the answer. So the question is not difficult. The point is that you have to just take care of while pointing, while making the graph, and while finding out all the values of x for which fx is greater than equal to 0. So like this we have solved this problem, and in the next video we will take some more examples on greatest integer function. Till then you keep on practicing.